Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video editing tutorial by Mr. RABBY. In this video, I am going to show you how to create RGB split effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So guys, it will be a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. Open Premiere Pro and import your footage. Now drag your footage on the timeline to create a sequence from the clip. Now go to Effects and search for Color Balance RGB. Then drag it on the video. Now go to Effects Control and make the red and green value 0. And let the blue channel stay 100. Now hold Alt and drag the clip 2 times to make 2 copies. Now change the value from middle clip. Only the green channel will be 100. And for the top footage, make the red channel 100. Now change the blend mode into linear dodge. And change the blend mode from middle clip to. Now go to the first frame and go 2 frames right. Then drag the middle clip here. Again go 2 frames right and drag the first clip. Notice the edge of the subject. You will see some RGB split effect. You can also use the position keyframe to make the RGB split. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.